Deficiency of oxygen in the tissue is known as A. Hypoxia, B. Hypoxemia, C. Cyanosis, D. Apnea. The correct answer is A. Hypoxia. Hypoxemia is deficiency of oxygen in the blood. Cyanosis is bluish discoloration of skin and mucous membrane due to lack of oxygen. Apnea is absence of respiration for more than 20 seconds. Presence of fresh blood in the stool is known as A. Hematochezia, B. Melena, C. Hemoptysis, D. Hematuria. And the correct answer is A. Hematochezia. Melena is upper GI tract bleeding, results in dark tarry stool. Hemoptysis is presence of blood in sputum. Hematuria is blood in urine, is known as hematuria. Difficulty in breathing is known as A. Dyspnea, B. Dysphagia, C. Dyspepsia, D. Dysphonia. And the correct answer is A. Dyspnea. Dysphagia indicates difficulty in swallowing. Dyspepsia indicates difficulty in digestion. Dysphonia indicates difficulty in speaking. How can we confirm the position of NG tube after insertion? A. By dipping tip of the tube in bowl of water. B. Pushing some air and auscultating. C. X-ray. D. All of above. And the correct answer is all of above. All of above methods are used to confirm the NG tube position. What position is given to the client while administering enema? A. Sims left lateral, B. Prone, C. Knee chest, D. Sitting. And the correct answer is A. Sims left lateral. Position the patient on left side. This will allow passage and flow of fluid into the rectum. Gravity and anatomical structure of sigmoid colon also suggest that this will aid enema distribution and retention. Which instrument is used to examine the patient's eyes? A. Otoscope, B. Proctoscope, C. Ophthalmoscope, D. Endoscope. And the correct answer is C. Ophthalmoscope. Otoscope is used to examine the ears. Proctoscope is used to examine the anal cavity and rectum. Endoscope is used to visualize body cavity. Which comfort device is used to prevent foot drop? A. Bed cradle, B. Footboard, C. Sandbag, D. Pillow. And the correct answer is footboard. Foot drop occurs because of injury to peroneal nerve. Footboard helps to maintain the alignment of foot and helps to prevent foot drop. 1 teaspoon is equal to about A. 1 ml, B. 3 ml, C. 5 ml, D. 7 ml. And the correct answer is C. 5 ml. Identify the techniques used in physical examination. A. Inspection, B. Palpation, C. Percussion, D. All the above. And the correct answer is D. All the above. Inspection refers to observation. Palpation means touch and find out. Percussion refers to tap the body and listen to the sound produced. Auscultation is an technique used in physical examination. Which of the following medication order is immediately and once only administered? A. PRN, B. State, C. OD, D. HS. And the correct answer is B. State. PRN medications are given whenever it required. OD medications are given once in a day. HS medications are given when patient is going to sleep in the night. What is the best position for the client in hypovolemic shock? A. Knee chest position. B. Trendelenburg. C. Fowler's position. D. Lateral position. And the correct answer is B. Trendelenburg position. Trendelenburg position promotes venous return in the patient with hypovolemic shock.